In this video, I'm going to show you how to open YouTube settings. So to open YouTube settings, firstly open Chrome browser, then type youtube.com. Now sign in YouTube using your Gmail and password. Then click on this profile icon. In here, click on YouTube Studio. Now in this left side panel, you will see two sections. This is the first and second one. You will see this gear icon for settings. So click on it. Now you can modify all settings about your channel, like you can select currency, and in channel you can change basic information. Advanced setting, you can set it's for kids or not, and feature eligibility you can check from here. You can change and modify upload defaults, permissions, community, and agreements. So all the settings you can check and modify. So like this you can open YouTube settings. Thanks for watching.